A blender is a small but mighty kitchen appliance that will blend your favorite smoothie into creamy perfection or crush ice for evenly blended slushies. But that's not all. These kitchen staples are good for lump-free blender pancakes, a batch watermelon margarita in minutes, or homemade oat milk. In this video we find the best blenders for you. You have to see this. So, let's get started this video. Number 5. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce. Number 4. Vitamix White 5200 Blender. The best blender that we've tested is the Vitamix 5200. This premium blender has fantastic build quality, a long 7-year warranty, and works well for all kinds of recipes. Using its 64-oz jar, it makes a nearly perfectly smooth blend with fibrous ingredients like kale and blueberries, whether making a single serve or a big batch, so it's ideal for smoothies. You can add hot ingredients to the jar for recipes like soup and sauce. It easily pulverizes ice cubes, so it's also great for making crushed ice for cocktails or smoothie bowls with frozen fruit. It comes with a narrower jar than other Vitamix models. Number 3. Ninja SS101 Blender. We've tested a lot of personal blenders over the years, and this one surprised us with the amount of presets it offered, compared to many personal blenders that only feature a pulse button. We especially love the Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, which features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency. In our tests, we especially loved how the margarita was rich and creamy and there was absolutely no grit from the super fine sugar used. Don't forget the homemade peanut butter that was smooth and creamy in under 3 minutes. Number 2. NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models. Number 1. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. If you're looking for a budget-friendly blender with a good, versatile performance, check out the Oster Pro 1200. This cheaper, smaller blender has a small 48-oz capacity and feels less well-made than the previous picks. However, unlike the other blenders listed here, it includes a 24-oz personal jar. You can use either jar to make well-blended recipes with fibrous ingredients like kale, broccoli, and fruit, similar to the Ninja Foodie Cold and Hot Blender. However, it struggles a little more with hard ingredients. It can crush ice for cocktails or frozen drinks, but only in batches of about 6 ice cubes.